Experiencing connectivity issues with EA Sports FC25 can be frustrating. Here are some steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve the unable to connect to EA server errors. So let's get started. First of all, download the Lago Fast by clicking the free trial button. Then before you start your game, search for it within the Lago Fast application to ensure it is supported. Navigate to the select server to choose the most stable server. Follow up by selecting the best node available on the right to optimize your connection. Then click on the Smart Boost button to get real-time data on your game's ping, packet loss, and network type, which helps in monitoring and adjusting for optimal performances. Moreover, for PS4 5 players, LagoFast offers another choice, LagoFast Box. If you are a console gamer, consider using the LagoFast Box for an optimized gaming experience. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.